Hello everyone, welcome to the fascinating world of mechanical engineering. When you think about this field of study, probably the common question that arises in your mind is, what do mechanical engineers actually do? We, mechanical engineers, do research, design, create and test mechanical and thermal devices including tools, engines and machines. We design and oversee manufacturing of many products ranging from medical devices to batteries, aeroplanes to handcarts. We also design power producing devices such as electric generators, internal combustion engines, steam and gas turbines, as well as power consuming devices like refrigeration and air conditioning systems, automobiles, etc. Thus, mechanical engineering graduates are selected by employers in almost all sectors of engineering, and they are the most versatile engineers who can adapt to any technology in no time. The Mechanical Engineering Department of Muthoot Institute of Technology and Science started functioning in 2013 with an yearly intake of 60 students. The department offers B.Tech degree and is affiliated to APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University. The department has been accredited by NBA, securing the highest accreditation points among the private engineering colleges in Kerala. We are consistently top in university results and we offer the best-in-class placements. Another proof of department's academic quality and excellence is noted by the presence of our students securing admissions in reputed institutes like IIM Ahmedabad. With a view to enhance multidisciplinary learning in the present engineering curriculum, the university offers minor degrees along with a major degree wherein students can acquire certification in other areas of interest. The department has well-equipped laboratories, spacious classrooms, and state-of-the-art workshops. We have a dedicated team of 15 faculty members and 9 technical staffs with a faculty-student ratio of 1:15. The research and consultancy activity in the department has seen a flurry of activity with signing of 3 MOUs and bagging funded projects from DST, DRDO, ARDB, NPOL, and KSCST. The faculty have published in SCI Index journals and are also international reviewers and editors for technical books. Professional societies like ASME, SAE, and ISHRE have been associated with the department for the past several years, and their contribution towards overall technical and personality development of the students is astonishing. Our students have made their mark in various national level challenges conducted by these societies, be it SAE ISS Aero Design Challenge, SAE Electric Two-Wheeler Design Challenge, SAE Bicycle Design Challenge, SAE Baha, and SAE Tractor Design Challenge. Add-on courses provide students an opportunity to obtain additional skill set relevant to the present industrial scenario. Courses from CPET and IBM have been widely accepted by our students' community. Our unique individual development plan delivers the right mix of technical, soft skill, and attitude training sessions through which we catch the students' talents early and prepares them thoroughly for the present cutthroat job market. To add life to the present classroom sessions, we have also incorporated activity sessions in our department schedule. These consist of alumni talks, interaction with industry experts, discussion with subject expert, and eminent academicians. We welcome you to make your mechanical engineering aspirations a reality. For admission related queries, contact Dr. Pramukh Kumar M, Department Coordinator, 9961188829 or 8075760727. Log on to our website at www.ndmis.ec.in and you can email us at admissions@nit.ac.in.